Welcome to the Mercury Access Control Hardware Overview. Mercury Security is the leader in the delivery of today's highest quality, most innovative and reliable access control hardware. The flexibility of the Mercury Security solution enables Avigilon partners to meet their most demanding access control applications. The proven success of Mercury Door Controllers, combined with Access Control Manager, provides a feature-rich and cost-effective access control system for Avigilon customers and partners. Avigilon Access Control Manager distributes the policies and schedules for all identities and hardware configurations to the following Mercury security controllers. This information is held locally on each door controller to ensure security is enforced at the door, even if upstream network communications are interrupted. Let's take a closer look at each of the Mercury door controllers. The EP1501 is a single-door Power over Ethernet controller that includes the door reader interface module all in one unit, supports all standard Avigilon reader technologies, and can be expanded to run 16 additional doors. The Mercury EP1502 is a powerful, intelligent two-door controller. The EP1502 has an Ethernet network connection to communicate with the Access Control Manager to provide door access, alarm management, and scheduled operations. Should connectivity be lost, the EP1502 can function independently of the host, maintaining door security, access, alarms, and schedules. The EP1502 interfaces with an array of reader technologies supporting the Avigilon format. The result is the flexibility, versatility, and reliability needed in an access control system. The EP2500 is another intelligent controller with native network support. This powerful and high-performance platform is capable of efficiently managing up to 64 doors when used in conjunction with the MR51E or MR52 door expansion modules. The EP2500 provides the greatest system capacity and is ideal for systems where high device counts, capabilities, and network-ready capacity are required. The Mercury Access platform allows for scalability to meet most system requirements. A system can be easily designed for multiple doors using a variety of door expansion boards. Inputs and outputs also make up part of an access control system. I/O is used to interface or control other systems or devices, such as a fire system or controlling elevators. The Mercury Access platform also includes two I/O boards for activating or controlling these other devices. Next, we will take a closer look at each of these devices, starting with the MR51E. The MR51E is a network-connected single-door PoE-capable expansion board that provides an ideal integration solution when a network connection to the door is desired. Two reader ports support separate in-out readers of all types and technologies, including Avigilon. Auto-addressable and directly managed by the Mercury Intelligent Controllers, the MR51E is capable of elaborate processes and procedures without host intervention. MR50 is a low-cost, high-performance single-card reader interface panel that is capable of all the I/O needed for controlling a single door. Each MR50 will interface one card reader, two general-purpose inputs, and two control relays to provide access control and security monitoring through a Mercury EP Intelligent Controller via RS-485. With its compact footprint, the MR50 can be clustered or distributed to best suit the installation environment. The MR52 is a low-cost, high-performance device that provides all the I/O needed for controlling two doors with auxiliary point control and monitoring. Each unit will interface two card readers and provide outboard flexibility in order to connect a Mercury Intelligent Controller to the network. The MR52 will interface two card readers, 8 general-purpose inputs, and 6 control relays to a Mercury EP controller. As mentioned earlier in this overview, another aspect of an access control system is the use of inputs and outputs. I/O is commonly used to interface the access control with other systems or devices. While Mercury door controllers have some I/O capability, there are also two additional boards that are dedicated to providing I/O. These two boards are the MR16in and the MR16out. The MR16in is a multi-device interface panel providing the ability to monitor high concentrations of inputs. It is capable of supporting 16 general-purpose input circuits, which can be individually set for normally open or normally closed operation and can be supervised and non-supervised. Each input can be set for sensitivity ranges, timing parameters, and end-of-line resistance values. There are also two programmable relay outputs that can be configured for fail-safe or fail-secure operation, supporting on, off, pulse, and repeating pulse commands. The MR16N is capable of controlling outboard devices and being activated by the condition of selected system devices locally or regionally without host intervention. And with its RS-485 connectivity, it can be clustered or distributed to best suit each installation environment. The MR16Out provides the ability to control a high number of outputs. With 16 general-purpose outputs, the MR16Out interfaces with Mercury's EP intelligent controllers to add versatility to access control and security monitoring systems. The MR16Out can be configured to control a variety of outboard devices for general facility control, such as lighting, heating, cooling, door and elevator control. Each output may be initiated by direct operator commands, by time schedules, or by event-based procedures. The relays support on, off, pulse, and repeating pulse commands. Now that we have covered the Mercury controllers, door expansion modules, and I/O boards, let's take a look at a few sample designs. These designs are intended to provide a general understanding of the versatility of the Mercury platform. There are many considerations that need to be taken into account before determining the best design for implementation. The EP1501 is a good choice for a single-door application where the controller will be placed near the door in a distributed architecture. It also provides the capability of adding a second reader to provide for in and out security on a single door. The EP1502 also could be used for a single-door application and provide expansion for another door that may be added at a later date. A two-door system design can be achieved by using an EP1501 and an MR51E. As an option, two EP1501s could be used as well. Or an EP1502 two-door controller could also be used. A four-door system design can be achieved by using an EP1501 and three MR51Es, or two EP1502 two-door controllers. An eight-door system can be built using an EP1502 and three MR52s. As we learned earlier, an MR52 supports two doors and connects to the controller via RS-485. Here is an example of a 16-door system using a single EP1501 and 15 MR51Es. The EP1501 can support up to 16 MR51Es, or an EP1502 and 7 MR52s could be used as well. A 32-door system can be built using an EP1502 and 15 MR52s. As an alternative, two 1502s and 30 MR50s could also be used. Again, the hardware used to design the system is dependent on the requirements for a project. And lastly, we have a 64-door configuration using an EP2500 controller and 32 MR52s connected via RS-485. These 64 doors could also be managed by using two EP1502 controllers and 30 MR52s. As you can see from these sample designs, Mercury controllers offer the flexibility to control any number of doors in multiple ways. As mentioned earlier, there are many factors to consider when designing a system, and these factors will vary from project to project. This concludes the tutorial on Mercury hardware. We covered the various Mercury controllers, door expansion modules, and I/O boards, and then applied them to some designs ranging from 1 to 64 doors. For further information on the Mercury Access Platform and the Avigilon Access Control Manager, please visit us at www.avigilon.com. Thank you.